Hello my cuties and welcome back to the All You Can Face YouTube channel. I know you guys love to follow along and learn more about facial exercises, beauty and how to improve your skin and face. And this is why I have a little surprise for you today. I thought I'm gonna go and start a series where I show you how to use the Gua Sha correctly. And we will focus on several areas of the face, and today I want to show you how to use the Gua Sha for the eyes. This is amazing when you wake up in the morning and you feel a little bit puffy, your eyes are a little bit swollen. You can do these techniques and you will feel right away a little bit more awake. Or if you also in the evening feel a little bit tired, you feel tension around the eyes because you were sitting in front of the computer, then this is also an amazing way to finish off your day. And I'll do the routine with you so you can literally just follow along, start with me and use this video as your everyday guide for your puffiness or dark circles or anything you want to improve in terms of your eye area. So let's just start, and first things first, we are going to prep our skin. And I will use this oil from Augustinus Bader. You can use any oil you have at home. I also love to use squalene oil, anything which basically doesn't break you out. In case you do not know much about oils, you can also check out my other videos on facial oils on my channel, so you can have a look, because literally there's oils for any skin type. So what we are going to do, we will take the oil and put it onto a couple of drops onto our hands. We will not put the dropper onto our face because this will cause to get this infected with bacteria and then the product will not last long. So always use your hands. So we will then massage it onto our face, warm up the product and then gently pat it onto our face. And since we are focusing on the eyes, you can also close your eyes and gently hold them on top of your eyes to relax them and make sure to go under the under eyes. And so yeah, this is basically how we prep the skin. Then a couple of things you need to know about the Gua Sha. First of all, make sure it's clean. You can wash it with any shampoo, normal soap, and then dry it with a towel, and then it's basically clean. I love to also sensitize it with alcohol, and that's really like to make sure that there's no bacteria on it. And then in terms of usage, we want to put the tool as flat as possible onto our face. We want to use our other hand as a stabilizing pose to not tuck and pull the skin, because especially around the eyes, the skin is very, very sensitive. So we want to really avoid tugging and pulling and loosening up that area. So with that being said, let's just start and get our Gua Sha routine going. video and you could follow along and feel already a little bit relaxed and opened up in your eye area. Obviously, these are massages and are for depuffing and relaxing your eye area, but you can also strengthen the area around the eyes by facial exercises. And for that, I'll absolutely encourage you to have a look at allyoucanface.com, because there you will be able to learn step by step the right techniques in order to exercise the muscles, release the tension. Both ways, you will learn both techniques, and basically do it also only with your hands. You will not need any tool, and I, in my opinion, think it's way much more effective using your hands, understanding your face better through that. And so yeah, have a look at All You Can Face, and with that being said, I'll see you next week. Mwah!